Now I'm going to go through the addition of the AirFob systems that Suprema provide. So the AirFob portal, or BioFob, or BioAir as they're rebranding it, is a mobile credential system that you input your users onto BioStar 2, and then seamlessly it'll integrate with the web platform of AirFob and dish out your mobile access credentials. Because a lot of people, they lose cards, they lose fobs, sometimes they even lose their face. So the mobile is always one thing that comes in your pocket now in the modern 21st century. So on our system, we first want to set up that the BioStar 2 is paired with your AirFob profile. All of the details come from setting up on AirFob. So as you can see here, I'm already signed into my account, but on BioStar 2, to basically get the integration for the two of them, you would go to settings and then scroll down to see mobile access. It takes a few minutes to set up, but as soon as it's online, by default, mobile access will be off. So then you would input your domain, your site ID, the password for your site, basically your profile on AirFob, what site type it is, what port, and the email address to connect to. Once it's connected, you register each of your devices. So as you can see here, I have my BioStation 3 from outside, our newly added BioEntry W3, XPass, and a core station. So as soon as you hit connect, and these are added by just clicking here, and it would search your local network or your registered devices currently on BioStar 2. It's all set up. So now going into our users, when we're creating a user and we want to issue them AirFob details, we would need to go in, edit the user's permissions, and include their credentials for mobile. So as soon as you click mobile, it'll bring up the card type, registration. It'll auto generate a card number for the user, but we can enter it manually or assign an already pre-existing card. It comes with free cards as well when you first register. So we're just going to put our test into card ID 3. Department and KD team, title, photo, and use all the relevant information from BioStar 2. As soon as we click enroll, it'll give us a CSN mobile card. Hit apply. And now that information will be transferred over to the AirFob portal, where you can find the user there and also edit their permissions and dates and time. So once it hits successful, Air mobile access card has been issued. We go to our AirFob portal. If we give it a couple of minutes or hit refresh, you'll see our test user pop up. And there he is, test. Now, it is paired with an email address. So once the user's email address is inputted into BioStar 2's information, AirFob will send them an activation email. The activation code will be specified in the email, and then they just follow the necessary steps that is provided in the email, input in the activation code, and they're finally online and active. So then they can use their mobile as an access control medium for accessing sites. So AirFob also have a little bit of hardware. This is the AirFob patch. So the AirFob patch sole purpose is to connect onto a dummy Paxton reader, take its electricity from the reader itself, and convert mobile credential systems into Wigan output through your Paxton reader. So generally, if there's already a Paxton system installed on site and you want to include Suprema products, because of Suprema's versatility for multiple authentication factors, it can be done quite easily.